France creates alliance of countries ready to send troops to Ukraine. French approach to the conflict resolution. France is assembling an alliance of countries that are open to sending Western troops to Ukraine in the war against Russia. French Foreign Minister Stéphane Séjourné arrived in Lithuania to meet with his Baltic counterparts and Ukrainian Foreign Minister Dmytro Kuleba to formulate an alliance in the war against Russian invasion of Ukraine. It is not for Russia to tell us how we should help Ukraine in the coming months or years, so we decided among us, the French minister emphasized after the meeting with his alliance members. According to Politico, the ministers discussed the possibility of foreign troops helping to clear Ukrainian territory of mines. Séjourné has repeatedly referred to demining operations as a possibility, noting that this could mean the presence of certain personnel in Ukraine, but not participation in the war in support of the President Macron's idea of troops in Ukraine. In late February, French President Emmanuel Macron did not rule out sending Western troops to help Ukraine. The main problem, he said, is that there is currently no consensus in NATO on this issue. A few days ago, the French president explained the conditions under which he is ready to send French troops to Ukraine, which are not very specific. Several NATO countries opposed sending troops to Ukraine, including Germany, the Czech Republic, Bulgaria, Poland, Spain, and Italy. But some countries are ready to consider such a possibility, such as Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia, who seems partially inclined in support. Canada, which is also a NATO member, has stated that it is ready to send troops to Ukraine, but only to train Ukrainian defenders in areas far from the front. Rather reluctant position in such situation.